In this video, I'm going to show you the exact formula I've taught to over 30,000 people to create perfectly balanced Mediterranean meals without all the headache and confusion. This simple formula is perfect for beginners because it will help you combine the right foods so you can feel full for hours, even start losing weight, and truly experience all the healing benefits of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Hey, I'm Dr. Anna, your Med Diet Doc. And on this channel, I'll teach you how to actually apply the Mediterranean diet easily. Now, if you're looking for total health transformation because you realize you need to make some changes, well, I'm so glad you're here. You will love everything I have to offer on this channel. But know that I give so much more of my insider teachings away inside my private community, Take Back Your Life. And if you're looking for a way to take your health to the next level with approaches that are fun and finally enjoyable, well, you'll find a link in the description below this video for how you can join us. Now, let's start with something that I always tell the members of my community. Newsflash, it is not just about what you eat. It is about how you combine it. Let me explain. So you could be eating all the right ingredients, right? Extra virgin olive oil, fish, vegetables, legumes, herbs. But if you put them together in the wrong way, well, you might struggle with things like blood sugar issues, constant hunger, energy crashes, weight gain. And then you'll miss out on the powerful results that this lifestyle can actually deliver for you. And this is why I teach a simple formula that you can use every single time you eat. So whether it's a quick snack, like you're standing at the counter in your kitchen, or you are sitting down for a full meal with your family, lunch or dinner, this formula is built for you, no matter where you are or what you're up to. And I call it the perfect meal formula, and it has 4 core elements. So let's walk through them right now. Element number 1, this is your protein. So this is what I like to think of as one of the most important parts of the formula, if not the most important. Because every time you eat, your body really needs protein to maintain muscle, to keep your metabolism active, to stabilize your blood sugar, and to help you feel full and focused. Your body literally needs protein to survive. You cannot go without eating protein. And I'm not just talking about any amount of protein or any protein source. Like I've explained in my last video about choosing the right Mediterranean foods, quality really matters here. This is key for the Mediterranean diet. So the goal is to choose high quality sources like wild fish, free range eggs, full fat or fat-free Greek yogurt, depending on your goals. Sources of protein from plants like legumes, beans, lentils, pasture-raised chicken. It could even be grass-fed beef. And one of the beautiful things about the Mediterranean diet is it does not necessarily avoid any specific type of protein entirely. Now, some experts do explain the Mediterranean diet to be a primarily plant-based diet, but by definition, there is room for including animal proteins in this approach. And if you ever go to the Mediterranean and travel around and see the different regions and the different cultures and countries, there's always meat inside these cuisines. So please hear me when I say the Mediterranean diet certainly can include meat. Now, often it is recommended that protein from the sources of legumes, fish, dairy, and eggs are actually consumed a little bit more than the poultry, which is consumed a little bit more than the red meat. But know that there's a little bit of variation here. And as well, the Med diet can easily become vegetarian or vegan if you want it to be. You don't have to eat meat to do this diet well. You don't have to eat eggs or dairy or you name your source. But the idea is you can if you want to. There is balance built in to the Mediterranean diet. That is why I love it so much. And ultimately, remember, the goal is to eat high quality whole food sources. And all of the ones that I've recommended or all of the ones that I've mentioned in this video are absolutely high quality. Now, the second component of the perfect meal formula is some kind of a healthy fat. Now, truthfully, you don't need a lot of quantity of fat to get the health benefits. The nutrients are in there, but recognize having some healthy fat is so important for your health because it helps us slow down our digestion. It absorbs certain nutrients, like certain vitamins that are fat soluble, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, to be specific. And then it also helps us support our hormones. There are so many types of hormones in our body, for example, that are based off of the molecule of cholesterol. So like vitamin D, for example, you gentlemen out there with your testosterone, you females out there with your estrogen, progesterone, these are all things that you need fat in your body in order to produce. reduce. And then fats are just really important because they make your meal taste amazing. There's so much flavor in sources of fat, and you have to enjoy your meals too. This is a huge component of the Mediterranean diet. You have to make meals enjoyable. So, some classic examples. Now, of course, obviously, almost all of you who clicked on this video are going to be familiar with extra virgin olive oil. That is one of the core components of the Mediterranean diet. But it's certainly not the only one. Now, if you don't want to use extra virgin olive oil, you could, of course, eat whole olives or pick any variety of nut you like. Almonds, pistachios, walnuts, macadamia nuts. Pick your favorite. Any of them can be included. And then you can have some avocado. You could have some seeds, things like sesame. So recognize that fats are really powerful, but they're so concentrated in terms of their nutrition and calories. So you have to use them intentionally. Now, there are certain aspects of the Mediterranean diet and certain cuisines in that region that if you really break it down, it's kind of a high-fat diet. And that's all right, because when it's from the healthy sources, these kinds of fats don't typically make us fat. They don't make us gain a lot of weight. But you also have to take that into context of everything else if your goal is weight loss. So recognize if your goal is to lose weight and you are trying to track your calories, for example, fats are one of those areas where you can get a lot of bang for your buck. You only need some in each meal to get the nutrition your body needs and to get the health benefit. But of course, don't be afraid to use more if that is what suits your body. In summary, the goal here is to use the right types of fats, the healthy ones, the ones that we just mentioned, which are going to provide you with lots of health benefit. Things like decreased inflammation, keeping you full, support for brain health, support for heart health, and all of those other things we've already talked about. Now, let's move on to the third component of the perfect meal formula, which is fiber. Where do we get fiber? Fiber comes from plant foods. You're not going to get it from animal foods. These are mostly going to be things like produce, vegetables, fruits, legumes, beans, lentils, some fiber from whole form nuts or seeds, whole grains, etc. Now, fiber is the secret weapon for fullness and blood sugar control. And there's so much research behind the benefits of fiber. It's important because it keeps our digestion running smoothly. It is that bulky component that kind of moves things through from top to bottom. It also plays a very key role in supporting your gut health. It is the food for the bacteria that live in your gut. And so we need that to support the gut health so that can support the other systems of our body, like our immune system, for example. And then, like mentioned, it also helps keep you full for longer. So this is kind of just a practical thing. If you're going to go through all the labor of cooking a meal, eating a meal, well, you really don't want to be hungry again like 30 minutes or 60 minutes later. You want to stay full for a few hours, ideally. Otherwise, life would be really inconvenient if we had to eat every single hour. So fiber also does some other things for our health. In terms of specific like scientific benefits, it helps reduce insulin spikes, which if any of you out there have prediabetes or diabetes, you're going to probably be paying attention to this and talking to your doctor about it. This is important for blood sugar balance, but it's important for all of us. Recognize it's not just for people with a diagnosis of diabetes. We all need to be thinking about good blood sugar control. And a lot of people also want to try the Mediterranean diet because they heard it's really great for these chronic conditions. And just know, based off of what we just talked about, this couldn't be more true. So let's break down some specific foods that I particularly love and I love to help teach people to eat more of. Some of my favorite fiber-rich foods are things like vegetables that you can cook. Zucchini, any form of broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, kale, eggplant, chard, Swiss chard, rainbow chard, any dark green leafy vegetable. And then we're going to use vegetables that people like to eat raw as well. Bell peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, salad greens. And then we have all the different varieties of fruits, and there are so many under the sun. We have our berries, our apples, pears, nectarines, apricots, citrus fruits, grapefruit, orange, etc. All of these things have nice fiber in them. And then, like I mentioned before, all those legumes, beans, lentils, etc., as well as all the varieties of whole grains, things that are unprocessed, farro, wild rice, ancient forms of wheat, things like buckwheat or amaranth, even whole form oats. Don't forget also that even though nuts and seeds are a good source of healthy fat, they also provide us fiber when we're eating them in whole form. So don't forget, you can snack on things like cashews, almonds, walnuts, etc. And recognize the way to make all of this balanced is that to get enough fiber in, you'd want to have what people say is 5 to 8 servings of vegetables or fruits per day. Well, I don't know about you, but it's not easy for me to wrap my head around what a serving is. So an easier way you could think about this is, let's say you like to eat 3 meals a day. Aim for at least 1, if not 2 or 3 types of vegetables or fruits in every single meal you have. You know you're getting the variety you need, and you know you're getting that fiber in. This is usually going to get you there. Now, what's the final element of my perfect meal formula? Well, the fourth element is something that I reveal inside my free Mediterranean diet guide below, called the Perfect Meal Formula ebook. You will find that link in the description. Make sure to get your copy there, because this missing piece is really what's going to take your meals not just from healthy and balanced, but truly to a level of deliciousness that you can't even imagine. People love the Mediterranean diet so much because it tastes so good. The meals are things that you'll crave over and over again. You'll start dreaming about the next recipe you can make, I promise you. And it's all without feeling like you're actually on a diet. That's why this is so cool and it's sustainable, because it's fun and you almost forget you're following along a certain approach to eating. And by the way, this fourth part, which I have in my ebook, it is the part that most other diets skip. So you don't want to miss out on this. So let's just recap for 1 second. We discussed so far in this video the first 3 elements of my perfect meal formula that I broke down for you: the protein, the healthy fat, and the fiber. And then remember, if you want that full breakdown of the fourth element, plus a lot of other bonus material, meal ideas, an entire 7-day menu plan, don't forget to grab my free ebook in the description below. There's a link for the Perfect Meal Formula ebook. It's going to make your journey to start the Mediterranean diet so easy and so much fun. And if you'd like more support, step-by-step guidance, and weekly coaching with me, well, you can schedule a free call with someone from my team. We'll help you figure out if the Take Back Your Life program is the right next step for you. Now that you've learned how to build the perfect Mediterranean diet meal, in the next video, I'm going to teach you my framework to understand how much should you be eating, because this is such a common question I get all the time. Once people start to figure out which foods they should be eating and they start to get a handle on the perfect meal formula and the meals are starting to get balanced, well, they're just not sure how much they should eat. Well, I'll teach you my easy framework for how you can know what to eat, how much to eat, without tracking or counting anything. Yes, it does sound like a miracle. So jump into that video and I will see you over there.